All right. In this quick training, we're going to do a brief overview of the financial literacy company program. Okay. Because this is what it's all about, getting your financial house in order. With this particular program, you have all the tools in your hands right now to begin that transition of getting your financial house in order, building your financial foundation that you can use to expand and grow to get you out of that cycle of paycheck to paycheck. This is what it's all about. Now, so when you first come to the site, you come to this landing page here, and it has a lot of information. You can kind of scroll through it, read through it, a couple of videos, and all that fun stuff. And the cool part about this program is not only is it going to help you build your financial house, get your house in order, but they also have a really cool affiliate program where they will literally pay you to refer other people to join the program. It's the coolest thing. So not only are you learning how to manage your money better, you're also making money on the side. So the more people you refer, the bigger your check, your affiliate check. Awesome program. Now you see here, the membership, it's a monthly membership, but the cool thing about it is refer a couple of people, your membership goes away. So it's not costing you anything. The program literally can pay for itself. That's the awesome part about this. You might come out of pocket one time, this very first time initial setup. After that, no more, because as you refer people, you get a commission, and then they just take your monthly fee from the commission. So you never have to come out of pocket again. Awesome, awesome program. It pays for itself. So once you get here, you're going to go up here to the upper right-hand corner, log in. You hit log in, and it's going to log into your back office, your membership. This is called your CSM membership. And when you get here, the main thing is you have all these little thumbnails right here. You can click on different ones, and it shifts based on what it is you're trying to do. So right here, I mean, you go left to right here, or you can go back and forth, how you want to do it. Let's say you want to start with minimizing taxes. You will click on this, and then it'll take you to the portion of it that talks about minimizing your taxes. And you go through, you watch the videos, you do what you're told to do, download this PDF right here, and you're literally on your way to fixing your financial house. Okay, it's an awesome thing. So you just go through each module. Now there is an overview video when you first come in here. The intro video right here pops up. It's about 7.5 minutes long. It walks you through literally what I'm showing you right now, all the that you have in your membership. And this is your foundation. This is your key. You learn and you do. And as you're learning and you're doing, you are basically fixing your own problem. No more check to check. It's an awesome program. So you go here, watch the video. Once you get done, keep on scrolling. Training tabs here. But like I said, when you're ready, whatever section you want to start on, let's say I want to start my debt elimination, you click on it, the little icon, it'll take you to the section right here, and you literally just watch the videos and start working through it. Okay, there it is, easy peasy. And this program will get you out of debt. And like for instance, with the debt here, debt elimination, as you were going through the program, fixing your financial house, you're referring people to the program, you're making money from the program. You can literally use that money to pay off all your debt just by here, going in here. You will list all your debts here. And then right here, this little button right here that says acceleration cash for debt elimination. The more you can increase that number, the faster you're going to be out of debt. So literally you can take the money you're making from this program, from the referral, the affiliate referral fees, add it to here, and it's going to help you knock off your debt in record time. It's a beautiful thing. The synergy is so great with this. Everything feeds on top of one another, and it's all for your benefit. So there it is. Don't worry about it. Just do it. Just make it happen. And pretty soon that lifestyle of paycheck to paycheck will be in your rearview mirror. You'll never go back there again because you'll know how to manage your money. You have an additional income stream coming in to help you keep yourself away from that situation. So, all right, with that, I'm out. You all have a great day. If you have any questions, post it in the group and we'll get to you. Take care. Peace.